Hello and welcome to English Journey with Lauren. Today's conversation is about introducing yourself at work. Let's learn how to make a great first impression in English.
Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm John from the design team.
Oh, hi John. I'm Lauren from the marketing department. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lauren. Is this your first time working in this building?
No, I've been here for a few years now. I joined the company about 5 years ago. How about you?
I actually started just 2 weeks ago, still trying to remember where everything is.
I know that feeling. It can be confusing at first, but you'll get used to it quickly. What brought you to this company?
Well, I wanted to work on bigger projects, and I heard great things about the design team here. So far, it's been really positive.
That's great to hear. You picked a good place. The people here are friendly and the work is interesting.
I can tell. Everyone's been really welcoming, which makes a huge difference when you're new.
Absolutely. I remember my first week. I was nervous, but people helped me settle in fast. Are you working on any projects yet?
Yes, I just joined the branding project for the new product launch next month. It's exciting, but also a bit challenging.
Oh, that's the big one. The marketing team is involved too. We'll probably be working together on that soon.
That's perfect. It'll be great to collaborate. What part are you handling?
I'm coordinating the campaign content, social media posts, email marketing, and the launch event. Lots of moving pieces.
That sounds busy. Do you enjoy working in marketing?
I do. It's creative and fast-paced, and every day is different. What about you? What do you like most about design work?
I think it's the problem-solving part. Turning an idea into something visual and effective. That's always rewarding.
I totally get that. Marketing and design go hand in hand. We couldn't do our job without you guys.
And we couldn't do ours without marketing. It's definitely teamwork.
Exactly. Speaking of teamwork, how's your new team treating you?
They're great. My manager's been super helpful, and the team's been patient while I learn the ropes.
That's always good to hear. It makes a big difference when you feel supported.
Definitely. By the way, do you usually eat lunch around here or go out? I've been trying to find some good spots.
There's a nice cafe just across the street. They've got great sandwiches and amazing coffee. Most of us go there.
Good to know. I was about to ask where people hang out. I've mostly been grabbing something quick from the vending machine.
Oh no, you have to escape the vending machine. Come with us tomorrow. A few of us usually go around 12:30.
That sounds great. I'd love to join. It's a nice way to get to know everyone.
Exactly. It's casual and fun, and it helps you feel like part of the team.
Perfect. I'm really looking forward to that.
So, what's been the biggest surprise for you since starting here?
Probably how organized everything is. The workflow system is so efficient. It makes collaboration much easier.
That's true. It takes a little time to get used to, but once you do, it makes work smoother.
Yeah, I noticed. I'm still figuring out the internal software, though.
Don't worry. Everyone struggles with that at first. I can show you a few shortcuts later if you'd like.
That would be amazing. Thank you.
No problem at all. We've all been the new person once.
That's reassuring. By the way, how big is the marketing team?
There are about 10 of us, but we work closely with other departments, especially design and sales. It's very collaborative.
That's nice. I like that kind of environment. People working together instead of staying in separate bubbles.
Exactly. You'll fit right in then.
I hope so. Everyone's been so supportive, it already feels like a good fit.
That's great to hear, John. Welcome again to the company.
Thanks, Lauren. I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to working with you.
Same here. I think we'll make a great team. Thanks for watching English Journey with Lauren. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel, like this video,
and press the bell icon so you never miss your next step in English.